Hey, I'm Chini. And welcome to Chini's World.
Hi lovely armies, today I'm going to show you how to make this easy affordable BTS or army logo. So first you're going to need some popsicles, which you can find at the Dollar Tree. What I did first is that I sketched out the logo, then I figured out how big I wanted the wreath, and then what I did is glue the amount of popsicle sticks I needed to get the right size I wanted. Then I added some popsicle sticks on top of the other popsicle sticks so it could be sturdy. Then here I'm gluing the sides of the logo. Here it also depends how big you made the logo. Then here I'm adding the straight line, and what I recommend is you do the straight line, not like this. What you should do is see how big the logo is and then add the popsicle sticks in a straight line, if that makes sense, because then you're gonna get a crooked straight line, and this is where I figured that out. I'm just doing the little straight line, then adding the support, and then I glued it to get the straight line in the middle. When having the support of the popsicle sticks, grab your garland. So a technique that I just figured out is that instead of wrapping it around like I did on this one, I'm gonna cut it and then glue it, right? And then I'm gonna be sure that it's covered, and then with the extra I'm gonna wrap it around to make it look fuller. I hope that makes sense, but I feel like that's better and it'll look fuller as well, because this one has some bald spots. Hopefully with the extra I can fix this one as well. Now it did look a little bit flat, but when I added the extra garland, it really did make a difference, and I think this is a better technique and a faster technique as well. Then just grab your lights if you want to, and then that's how you get the BTS or army logo. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment and let me know what you think. Bye!